guys, welcome back to the garage. So I'm going to show you the tractor real quick, and you're probably going to wonder what the heck's going on with it, but I'll explain that in a second. So it's destroyed. So I took it apart last night, and as I was videoing, something happened to the SD card and wiped everything off. So we get to start over, but from this point. So I'll explain what all we got. Well, Carter will tell you what all we have taken off. So you want to tell him what all we've taken off so far? Huh?
No.
Okay. So we got the hood off, the grill, the upper grill, seat pan, the tower. All the wiring is in the tower. Got that pulled off. Carburetor's laying in the floor. Air filter adapter and all that. There's the dash for it, and the exhaust and battery and all that good stuff. So I think we are going to start maybe with, we'll pull the throttle pedal off first, get the rear fenders off, and get all the clutch assembly pulled out, and then we will, I guess, pull the motor and try to find a place for it, because as you can tell, I have no room in here. All right, guys, let's get started tearing it apart. Oh, come off there. There it goes. Drop all the bolts and off she comes. Alright, we're going to get this clutch bracket pulled off here in a second. Save this bolt because it's like the only one that ever fits. These are just little spacers that I had to use to get this to clear, right? So if I can get it out. Extreme pain to get these things out. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get this cover pulled off real quick. Get all my crap out of the way. Yeah, just throw it on the floor. This thing might be a pain because it's boogered in there pretty good, so get rid of that. Alright, I'm gonna get this cover pulled off here real quick. This is the guard in case the drive shaft ever comes up. Doesn't kill you. Alright guys, I finally got the pan off. Took like 10 minutes, but finally got the back screws out. So this is just a piece of, I believe it's 1/8 inch, and I had the bolts with washers like sandwiching the frame and this together. I didn't actually drill a hole. I just used the edge of the washer over the lip of the frame to hold it on, but it served its purpose. I think we're going to change that up, but throw that there for now. So here's the clutch set up in these. I am running a red spring in this one just because really you don't need a yellow spring in the kids class tractors, but much easier for him to push on when he gets that time. So I'm gonna get that weight out of there. Got like these are pins, and they're like 7 pounds a piece roughly, but they're pins to like machines or something. I don't know rightly where they come from, but I've been like sticking them down in there for extra weight. But get rid of that dude. All right, we are going to clean this mess up real quick, and we're going to start pulling the rear fenders off. So we'll be right back. We're going to get these 4 bolts out. There's 4 on each side. Then there's 4 back there in the seat box. We'll get those out. Now these bolts have, I believe they have nuts welded onto the back. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't remember. Yep, they do. Okay, they should come off now. Let me set all the tools down. Get the battery out of the way. Get all this junk knocked out of the way. You can see where the battery said just washing it all the time. Yeah, I had that cleaned and painted and, well, primed, but now it's all rusty again. That's what sucks. Alright, probably have to put it in first or second to get it. Alright, I'm gonna give the camera to the boy so I can get this off. Stay. Alright, so we got the fenders off. I laid them over here. I think for tonight to finish out, I'll go ahead and get the rest of the wiring taken off, like the battery power, the kill switch wiring. I'll rip all that out. Take the fuel stuff off and the grill, and maybe even the, yeah, that. Get all that taken off. Probably call it a night. We'll save the next video for actually pulling the drivetrain out and go from there. So we'll see what we get done real quick. Oh. Out with the old. Find a place to throw it. Throw it over there, I guess. Okay, there's a clamp on the other side of this bolt. If I can get it off here with one hand, somewhat. Enough to pull this loom out, maybe. maybe not. I'll just leave that in there. I already got the wires pulled out, so we'll go ahead and get the lower grill off and the fuel tank off. I'm gonna throw that fuel tank away because it's nasty and dingy. And yeah, I know this is stuck up here. I was testing the motor, but we're gonna get one of these that has this is actually a coolant reservoir tank, but everybody uses them for fuel tanks on these. So we're gonna get another one of those because this one goes to my tractor, and replace it with that. So everything will be new. Just cut this fuel line. I'm gonna make a huge mess, but it'll be fine. Got 4 9/16 bolts. The lower grill will be off. Actually, I think there's a nut on this one. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up tonight. I got some other stuff I need to do. But we got the lower grill off. We got the rear fenders. Let's see. Some of the wiring pulled out. The shields, the guards. All that good stuff. So, we'll catch up with you tomorrow. We'll continue and go from there. So, if you like this video, leave it a like. Subscribe if you haven't already. And leave a comment down below, and we will catch y'all later. We'll see you tomorrow.